Good morning, friends. Myself, Sanpal Nagachandrudu, advocate. Does a will deed require a registration? Many people having a doubt is that, sir, does a will deed require a registration? Is it necessary? So, friends, a will deed is legal document that outlines are how a person's properties and assets will be distributed after death of a persons. That is called will deed as for the Section 27 Registration Act 1908. A will deed is not mandatory for the registration. A will deed has no time limit for enforcement, but it is valid after death of a person.